Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart. So if you have a Dodge Dart guys and your AC compressor does not work, your AC doesn't work and your AC blows hot air instead of cold air because your compressor is not activating, check your relay guys. You have relay, you have fuses. It could be a bad clutch, there could be many things. We'll actually have a special video that explains what could be wrong with your AC and why your AC blows hot air instead of cold air. So check it out. But in today's video we'll show you where the relay for the AC clutch is located, how to remove it and how to replace it. So quick introduction. Every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money on relays, car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there guys for your convenience. So I'll go ahead, open the hood and show you where the main fuse box is located and where that relay is. Let me show you quick now. So this is right now 2015 Dodge Dart. Your AC guys, your AC compressor is all the way on the bottom, right there. This is the 2.4 engine. Now, if that relay doesn't work guys, your AC compressor will not work. So every time you try to turn the AC on, it will actually not work guys. So let me show you where the relay is located and how to replace it. So the fuse box, okay, is located right here next to the car battery. Pretty simple guys. Press in here, pull up, come out in an angle, and you have the fuse numbers and the relay is printed on the back side, and holding it that way where the battery cable is, it says battery plus, corresponds to what we have here in the same layout. So the one that we need to find guys, okay, you can see the ones that start with T is a relay, the one with F is a fuse. The one that we need to find is actually relay number 5, T05. So 14.5. This second relay guys is the one for the AC compressor. Now let me show you how we're going to remove that relay. It's the second relay, so this one here, all I do, grab it with the pliers, okay, pull it out. If you need to buy a new relay guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please guys do check it out. We'll have the part number, all that stuff will be there, so all that is for your convenience guys. So now you can even say it says Lancia, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, even though it's on Dodge, because nowadays Compressor, Fiat, Dodge, it's one thing. So those relays will be used on multiple vehicles, and it will be the same relay for all of them guys. So when you're ready to install it, all we have to do, grab it guys and push it in. If your AC still doesn't work, check out the video on our channel that explains what could be the top reasons why the AC doesn't work on your Dodge Dart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.